Yo, what up? It's Mike Pear, DJ Yo. Hey, just here to hit you all with a unboxing and a setup. So here I start off with two slip mats. Got them, and I thought I was gonna need those separately, so I ordered them. But you'll see later that don't end up using them. But at any rate, these are two felt slip mats that you need for DJ turntables to allow the record to slide really easily when you're doing scratch anything. So I'm just taking one there and going from there. Next I got the Orfoton DJ Cartridge. So just open it up here, and with this particular cartridge, it's the style that it's not in a head shell, but it's more like a needle, a shape as a needle. So you can see when I open it up here, it's kind of long, pointy. So there you go. So I lift it up. It has a pretty good weight to it, and you can see there it comes with a clip. So I'm going to be using that, and you'll see how I attach that to the control arm of the turntable in a minute. And now on to the mixer. So you can see here I got a Numark Scratch Mixer. Comes in this boxes. It's really the shipping container, and then within that box there's a separate box here. So I got to get a knife for. So here I returned some keys, so I can go ahead and open this box here. They wrapped it pretty well. Didn't see any visible signs of damage on the outer box, so it's packaged really good. So you can see as I open it up here. So this mixer's a little bit bigger than what I thought it was gonna be for the pictures and stuff online, but you can see once I get it out. So like I said, it comes packed pretty well. Get this box open in a second here, and you see what we got. All right, so as you can see, open up the top here, comes with cables. Lift it out. You see it's wrapped in a kind of contained on both sides in the foam, so it don't move around. I have the instruction packet there, and just take it out, and it's actually contained within a kind of an inner soft little plastic bag or foam bag. It's not necessarily plastic, but a foam bag. So it's packaged really well, and like I say, once you sit on the desk, you kind of get a sense of the size of it here. A little bit bigger than what I thought, but as you can see here, crossfader, 2-up faders. I'm gonna get the cable now. So it's a USB cable. So on the back you have output for speakers, output to a DJ booth. You also have the USB cable that hooks to your computer, and then you have a power cord as well. So you can see here as I go through those. So power, USB, mic inputs, outputs for speakers, or you can go. Then you have the RCA plugs for both the speakers. So it's a 2-channel mixer, so you can do analog in on both, and then has ground wires for both the speakers as well. And so here I'm just getting the power cord out. And what's unique about this mixer, it comes with so when you hook it up to the computer and you get everything turned on, what happens is it unlocks a version of Serato DJ. And so this is compatible with Serato DJ DVS systems. I tried to hook it up with the DJ Algoriddim DJ, and it worked to my phone, but not my iPad. My iPad didn't. It has a lightning cable to it, so I need to get a USB cable for that. But anyway, it's DVS compatible. So that's one of the things. And also the crossfader on that mixer, it comes with a innovator crossfader. So if you have a mixer that's kind of subpar on a crossfader, this is a pretty good deal, because this mixer itself was like $4.99, but it comes with DVS, 2-channel, has effects that you can operate through the software, and pretty sturdy built. So that way I didn't have to buy. And it comes with the innovator. So innovator, I don't know, $100, $200, whatever. DVS didn't have to buy the license for Serato DJ Pro, which it unlocks once the software is installed, and it recognizes it USB, and so save some money there as well. and it's a steady mixer. And like I said before, put the picture in, I didn't say, but I'm replacing the Numark NX7 controller, and I didn't want to get stuck in a controller again. So, but as you can see here, opening up the Reloop 7000 MK2, came from Sweetwater. They have some instructions in there, and so this thing's packed pretty well. So you can see as I open it up, going through grabbing the platter. Platter is taped down pretty well, so I had to pull this tape off the side. Platter has a decent amount of weight. I used to have some 1210 techniques back in the day. I really hate that I sold them, but at any rate, it kind of reminds me, the platter there maybe just a bit lighter than the Techniques platter. But as you can see here, once I take it out, so it comes with a slip mat. So that's what I was saying before. I really didn't have to buy those 2 extra slip mats, but I didn't know that, so it came with a slip mat. And it's packed really well in this box. So as you can see, now one of the things I'll tell you about this turntable, it's heavy. So as I turn it over here, and I'm trying to position it so I can slide it out, it has some good weight to it. So you're gonna have to, grab it with both hands and be able to get it out of there. So so it's a good piece of, I guess it's maybe some forged aluminum or steel. I don't know what it is, but it's heavy. I will tell you that. So just getting it out of the box here, and you can see it's also wrapped in this bag, kind of foam bag in the middle. It's contained in. So all right, moving that box out of the way, give me a little space on the table. Getting ready to pull it out of this bag, and so again, kind of lift it around, pull it out this bag, and be able to set it down. So you can see this is the back side. So it comes with RCA. Didn't see them really fast, but it has 2 RCAs out, power cord, as well as a ground for the turntable. And you can see there, I'm just moving. I'm a right-handed scratcher, so I'm gonna move the turntable to the side, and I'll keep the mixer on the left. And so this is my preferred orientation, and I may even change I think I changed later on the turntable to a battle style, where I have the tone arm up at the right. But at any rate, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that platter. Yep. So as I told you all before, got the platter wrapped separately. You can see once I pull it out of this bag here, it has a good size magnet on it. That's for the direct drive. So all direct drives is magnetized. So it's pretty easy. Just slide the platter on, just put it on, just goes pretty easy on top. Not much fuss about that. And then just put the turntable slip mat on here that came with Reloop, the Reloop turntable. So it's a Reloop branded slip mat versus those other 2 slip mats I had. It was just they were just blank. All right. So next from there, I'm gonna take this power cable for the turntable. Now, I would say when I got this turntable in, it had a European power cord on. I didn't have the US power cord, so I had to go on Amazon and download the EU adapter for it. I think it was a Type C EU adapter, so I wasn't able to plug it up, so I had to wait for that part to come in. But at any rate, I got that in the next day, but I'll go ahead and hook this up. So on the back of the turntable, again, you got the RCA ports to plug into the mixer, and then power cord as well as a ground cord. Some more cords here, so I'm still just trying to find it. And like I said, it took me a minute to realize that this thing didn't come with that adapter for the European market, so I had to go online and buy a adapter for US.